Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is March the 4th on a Tuesday, and let's take a look at the market and some possible swing trades. All right, SPY, a little bit of a gap up this morning. No real resistance until this level right here around the 415 level. So, not sure if we're going to get there, but the path of least resistance is still higher. All right, a few things that are jumping out at me today. Let's take a look at this RBLX. Okay, this one closed on highs yesterday, and we zoom out here a little bit. This is a pretty big pivot level, so watch this stock if it can get above, especially above that 47 level. Could bust out of this pivot. I mean, this resistance here. CrowdStrike, I think, is another one you want to keep an eye on. Okay, this is kind of coming off the bottom here, but you can see it ran into support after earnings, and it's backed up, and now it is trying to get through this 138 level. So maybe put you a price alert right around that 138 level. Newmont, I think this still has some catch up to do with some of the other. Uh, this one has really been lagging the sector, the GDX sector. So breaking above this range, I think it may want to fill this gap here at some point around the 42.50. And spec play right here, guys. AIXI. This is a new issue. It's a China AI play. AI's been kind of on a tear lately. Enter at your own risk here. It's looks like if it does break through yesterday's high, it could eventually attack this little $8 level up here. Once again, be careful with that one. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow.